Hi everyone, in this video we are going to refurbish this very old tray which I got from the market. For this the materials required are chalk powder, acrylic paints, you can use any brand. This is an old candle, you can use any wax or any old candle available. Sandpaper, here I am using 150 number, you can use 120 as well. Stencil of your choice. There are many stencils available on our website www.artsycraftsy.in. Paper tape, sponge, brush and water. So let's get started. First, take out acrylic paint and you have to add chalk powder to this acrylic paint, 1:1 ratio. The chalk powder makes acrylic paint matte and sandable. So basically you don't need to buy chalk paints from the market. You can make your own chalk paint. Add little water to make it into a good consistency so that you can paint easily. Dab with the sponge on the surface. We are going to give a distressed look. So here we need 2 coats of paint, one darker at the base and one lighter on the top. Once the base color, that is black here, is completely dry, rub the wax over the tray all over, especially where the areas where you want the distress to be done more. So wherever you are rubbing the candle and when you do the distressing, the top paint will chip off and give a very nice distressed and vintage look. For the top paint, I am taking white color. You can take any other color combination. And again I am adding chalk powder to it, 1:1 ratio. Add little water to make it into a good consistency and put all over the paint. Make sure that the base paint should be completely dry before you rub the wax or put the top color. It can be any color of your choice. Any 2 colors, base color darker, top color lighter. So here I am done. Now the white is completely dried and now I am rubbing it with a sandpaper to give it a distressed look. Wherever we have rubbed the wax or the candle, it will chip off and the black color will be shown through that. See, you can see the black spots now. How beautifully it has come. Clean the tray nicely and then place your stencil in the center, or if whatever design you are doing, you can place the stencil accordingly. Secure with a paper tape and start dabbing black paint or any other color of your choice to put the design of the stencil on the tray. Make sure to use very less paint, otherwise the paint seeps through the stencil. And now for the final reveal. Pick up the stencil very slowly and see how nice and crisp the design has come. I'm happy with it. Hope you will also try out this. For the last step, secure your work by putting varnish all over. I am using Aquador PU. You can even use the spray varnishes available in the market. See how beautiful it has turned out. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and discover the joy of creating.